I'm gonna be real honest with you. That's not some of my best work. You want me to tack that? That's not even tacked together. Not bad for a hack job. Look how straight that thing is, straight up and down. Ignore the one that's crooked over there.
I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
Normally I'd be working on my stuff in my garage, but my buddy Derek came over because he needs a little help. Apparently he's not happy with his exhaust on his I think it's a 76 Monte Carlo. The last exhaust job I did on it ended right there, and it, you know, kind of drifts right up into the cabin. He's not happy with it, so we gotta redesign and reconfigure. I'm thinking we'll bring it out right here and go straight up. Let's get some stuff moved around and we'll get it in the garage. Where are we gonna put this thing? Gauges are still working, so that's a bonus. Woo-hoo. All right. Gotta love that height difference. He's probably gonna drive this car in forward, and I'm gonna tell him to turn around and back it in. But doesn't that look sexy up there? Oh my God, I love that car. All right, I suppose I should make a little room for him. Ugh. I think it's quiet enough. Something about kids and family, I don't know. See, told you he's gonna drive the thing straight in. Ah, shit, no, stop, stop. You wanna back it in? This car reminds me of Uncle Buck so much. I know it's not the same car, but god damn, it's awesome. Keep coming! Whoa, 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 whoa! A little more. Back it up a little more. Okay, stop. Well, it's not going great. Like most of my jobs, well, they're not very well thought out or prepared. So we're just trying to see if I got enough crap to piece it all together and make it work. It may not look pretty, but it should be functional. Should be. I think if we cut there, maybe cut there, I'm hoping I can make that work. We'll find out. This is actually fence post, I'm pretty sure, but you know, it'll do the job. You gotta work within your budget. All right, I need a hammer. If you hadn't wrecked your exhaust pipe here, I wouldn't have to fix it. Damn it. So the exhaust is coming along pretty good. It's pretty much straight up now. But the kid likes it, so that's all that matters. Even got it at Fleet Farm. And people say you can't buy car parts at Tractor Supply stores. Amateurs. But it is obnoxious. I think it's awesome. We'll get her buzzed up here and we'll figure out, we gotta figure out a fender mount though, because she's a little wobbly. I can see that causing the phone call to me on the side of the highway one day, so we wanna make sure we prevent that. But looking sweet. So there's the passenger side. She looks mint. It'll be polished out, it'll be fine. Derek's gonna take this side off now so we can get it all welded up. They're not the same, I would say, but they're kinda. You know, when you haven't got all the same pieces, you just kind of put things together until it works, and it's kind of what I'm good for, I guess. It's not gonna be pretty, it's not gonna be expensive, but it's gonna get the job done, and he's gonna have stacks, which is what he wants. So I'll get it all welded up, we'll get her on, and then we'll see how she sounds. Probably like $1 million, of course. I'm gonna be real honest with you. That's not some of my best work, but I had limited amount of pieces to make work. Different sizes of shit, different thicknesses of everything. It shouldn't fall off. I suppose we gotta get, this has gotta get off a little bit because it's on too far. And then we'll get it mounted up and see how she looks. Not bad for a HATER. Look how straight that thing is, straight up and down. Ignore the one that's crooked over there. We won't pay no attention to that one. We'll get it fixed sooner or later. It just looks like the whole car's leaning that way. It's constantly turning right. Now we gotta figure out some kind of mount for you, or a securement to the fender, because you don't want this. That's no bueno. It sounds better already. That's awesome. I like it. Do you want me to tack that? 'Cause that's not even tacked together.
Yeah, probably. I didn't even think about that.
Neither did I until I saw the whole thing move. Guess we're not done yet. I'm gonna have to have you hold it where you want it so I can weld it, because there's a lot of movement there. You tell me when you're happy with it.
There we go.
Okay, now it's kind of done. We did get this one secured. Oh, we gotta tighten those yet too. But at least that one's not gonna fall off. We are gonna fix that. Even he thinks it's a little too crooked, which I don't blame him. So we'll get her straightened out when he's got more time. Can't remember everything. This one is actually pretty straight. We just need to get a mount made for it. Again, ran out of parts. We used what we had today. It's not my best work, but it's freaking obnoxious and I love it. And sometimes you just gotta piece together what you have to make things work. He now has stacks. I think they're cool. Have a fire show at night. Totally my style. It's like your car's giving bullhorns all day. He's probably a satisfied customer. I don't know. Thanks for watching. See ya.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out.